Good morning, my dear students. The chapter is Football, Section B. The topic is terminology of the game. So here are many terms like volley, lob, advantage, through pass, technical area, making, marking, nutmeg, attacker, additional time, sliding tackle, step over, cross, extra time, bicycle kick, zonal marking, overlap, 1-on-1, half volley, defender and chip. So students, we understand about one by one. So student, first is volley. So students, the kick the ball before it bounces. So students, the player kick the ball before the bounces, so it's term called volley. The second is lob. So students, the kick the ball high, usually into the goal mouth, so it is called lob. Then after students, advantage. So students, at the decision made by the referee during a game where a player is fouled but play is allowed to continue, the team that suffered the foul is in better position than they would have been had the referee stopped the game. Then after student, through pass. So student, through pass क्या है? A pass from the attacking team that goes straight through the opponent's defense to a teammate. Then after students, technical area, the area where the referee gives coaching or advice from there, so it is called technical area. Then after students, marking. So marking क्या students? Defensive strategy. It is a defensive strategy at and aimed of this technique at preventing an attacker from receiving the ball from a teammate. Then after students, nutmeg. So students, nutmeg क्या है? When a player intentionally plays the ball between on opponent's legs and run past the opponent and collect their own pass. Then after students, additional time. So students, an additional number of minutes at the end of each half determined by the match officials to compensate for the time lost during the match. Then after student, sliding tackle. So student, sliding tackle, it is a type of tackle where defending player slides along the ground to tackle their opponents. Then student, step over. तो student, step over क्या है? A skill move from by an attacking player to which the player with the ball will move their foot over the ball without making control with it. Then after students, cross. तो students, cross क्या है? The delivery of the ball into the penalty area by the attacking team, usually from the area between the penalty box and touch line. Then after students, extra time. Extra time given when the match will be tied. So students, additional period, normally 2 halves of 15 minutes, used to determine the winner in some tied cup matches. Then after students, bicycle kick. Bicycle kick क्या है बच्चों? तो a move made by a player with their back to the goal. So student, in this time the player throws the body into the air and makes shearing movement with the legs. Then after students, zonal marking. तो zonal marking क्या है? It is a system of marking in which each player is responsible for their positions or place. Then after students, overlap. अब overlap क्या students? A move between teammates called overlaps. Then after students, 1 or 1. In this time, 1 or 1 means कि the only the goalkeeper and the attacking player. It means 1 on 1. Then after students, half volley. तो इसमें half volley क्या है? The pass or shot in which the ball is struck just as or just after it touches the ground. Then after students, defender. Defender क्या होता है? The opponent team is called defender. Then after students, chip shot. तो chip क्या है student? A high kick or shot. It hit with the intention of the ball going over the goalkeeper and into the goal. Means the ball cross the goal line or into the goal mouth. So students, these are the terminology of the football game. So students, I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.